guys, my name's Hannah and I'm a Hawktail player, which means I get to tell you guys a nonfiction story, which means it really happened. So today, I'm going to tell you a story my dad told me through first person point of view, which means through his perspective. Okay, here it goes. Hey guys, my name's Eric, and when I was in the 7th grade, I rode the bus every day with a kid named Kevin, who was also known as the bus bully. And it was Kevin's after-school job every day to throw newspapers on people's driveways. Can you guys practice throwing a newspaper with me? You wind it up, and you throw it on the driveway. Good job. So every day, Kevin would get on the bus and decide who he was going to pick on that day. Well, one day, Kevin chose me, and he told me, Eric, today at 3:30, I'm going to be passing your house to throw newspapers, and I'm going to come beat you up. Well, sure enough, that day at 3:30, Kevin showed up at my door. He starts banging on the door really loud, saying, Eric, you better come open the door. Come open this door, or I'm going to bust the door down. And then your mom's going to be mad at you for the door being broken down. Well, me and my friend Jonathan were on the other side of the door, and we were thinking about if we should open it or not. And Jonathan looks at me and says, you know, Eric, if you don't open the door, he's going to bust it down, and then your mom's going to be mad at you. He's right. So I decided I might have to open it. I took a deep breath. Can anyone take a deep breath with me? And I decided to open the door. As I opened it, to my surprise, Kevin comes stumbling through the door. He tried to recatch his balance and takes a huge step back. But when he took this huge step back, he ended up tripping over the door frame. He stumbled all the way back, falling down my front porch steps, fell on the back of his head, and knocked himself out. Everyone that had come to watch the fight that day, they were all standing outside, and they saw him knock himself out. They thought that I did it, though. They were cheering me on, saying, Eric beat him up! Eric beat him up! I didn't do anything. Kevin got 3 days of out-of-school suspension for coming to my house and trying to beat me up. And the day he got back on the bus, he looked at me, we locked eyes. I thought, oh no, here we go again. He starts walking towards me on the bus. He even sat down next to me. He looked at me and he said, hey man, you wanna come play cards at my house later? I was shocked. Kevin, the bus bully, wanted to be my friend. I guess him beating himself up made him realize he wasn't as big as bad as he thought he was.